Welcome to this quick guide on how to show devices logged in on Discord, updated for 2026. If you're curious about which devices have access to your account, this walkthrough will help you spot active sessions and keep your account secure. First, open Discord and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This opens your user menu and brings you to the general settings you'll use for device checks. From here, look for the settings section where all your account controls live. Next, navigate to Settings and select Devices. This section is your window into every device currently linked to your Discord account. You'll see a list that includes desktop clients, mobile apps, and any other sessions that have recently signed in. Each entry typically shows the device type, location or approximate region, and the last active timestamp. If you don't see any devices listed right away, give the page a moment to load, especially if you've just signed in on a new device. As you review the devices, pay attention to anything unfamiliar. If you spot a device you don't recognize, take immediate action to secure your account. You can sign out from a device directly from this page, which ends its session and prevents further access. If you see multiple sessions from a location you don't recognize, it's a good idea to change your password and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection.